Don't just scroll by the gospel. Stop. Read a script. Take one script and run with it. Jesus is the way. Jesus is the light. Jesus teaches us how to be godly enough to find God. He's that bridge from us to the King, to his King, to his God. Worship the God that Jesus worships. Don't worship your own God. Jesus is the way to the real God. Don't listen to all them other religions that want your money, that you really can't get down on your knees and pray and fast and study and see something manifest other than money. Something like a change of scenery, a change of fresh air, a change in your family, your friends, your education, your job. Let's love one another and help one another. I've been prodigal too long, ordained as a minister by my grandfather years ago, a pastor. My grandfather's a reverend from Mississippi. I went 7 hard years in the Word, and I've been cast out in the world. Help me come back. Help me in the pasture. Let's stay in this pasture. Let's be protected by this shepherd. Let's start with the first book. Let's just look at this together. Subscribe, comment, lead, teach. Let's hear each other's views. Let's learn together on one accord. Let's follow Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. Let's follow Jesus.